I'm Denise Jordan, and I'm about to get my day started. And the first thing I always do is start the laundry. And today is one of those days that I've got to go out of the house to work. So I want to get my laundry started so that I can either throw it in the dryer before I leave the house or throw it in the dryer once I get back. So I typically will choose something that I don't have to worry too much about wrinkling. But if you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Denise Jordan, and I teach women how to make and keep a home. So if you want to learn more about running a household, hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. I am in a collaboration today with Apryll Will of Apryll Will, and we just thought it would be nice to show off our morning routines, a productive morning routine. So the best way that I can be productive is to get my laundry started and then to get my yoga on. So let's get that done now. Now, I follow the Fly Lady cleaning process, and one of the things that she really emphasizes is to get your day started before your family gets up. So I like to get up and get things started when I can before the hubby is up and moving about. So I like to get a load of laundry thrown in, and then I like to come down and get my yoga started. And then once I've got my yoga started, then I get myself dressed for the day. And this is one of those days that I've got to be out of the house early, so I'm really going to have to maximize my time. And I'll usually do a home practice with Yoga with Adrienne. And right now, I'm working on the 30 Days of Yoga, the True.
Hey everyone, and welcome to True.
Well, I've got my yoga done. Now I need to get showered off. So now I'll get my face on so I can get ready to get out of here. I start with a little moisturizer, and I am using the MAC Mineralized Time Check Lotion Visage, and it is a moisturizer and primer. And then my foundation is the Bobbi Brown Luminous Moisturizer in the color Warm Sand, number 2.5. Now I need a little concealer, and I've worn glasses for years and now I don't wear them, so I need to cover up these little marks here that my glasses have made over time. So that just helps a little bit. A little work on these wicked eyebrows. They say your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. I don't think mine are even friends. Just a little bronzer. Give me a little color in certain places. I've almost hit pan in this. Look at that. I've had it for quite a while. Little blush. Now I'm ready for the day. I'll grab a smoothie out of the freezer and we'll keep it moving. I had this in the freezer, and since I don't have time this morning to make a fresh one, I got one out of the freezer and just put it on for the defrost cycle. While that's defrosting, I'll just get my bag ready. I just need to take my portfolio, and that can go here in my Michael Kors tech bag, my phone, and this is all I need to take with me for the day. I hope you enjoyed this opportunity to see how I get my day started, how I am productive for the day. And what I find is that if I get it started on a good note, it tends to run much smoother. And when you're done here, go on over and check out Apryll Will's. Check out to see what she's got to share with you on how she gets her morning started, how she has a productive day. And if you like this video, I have a few others that I think you will enjoy, particularly my early morning routine. I think you will enjoy that and a few others. So I will link them above and link them below. And if you're catching this video in November and you're thinking Thanksgiving or the Christmas holidays, check out my Thanksgiving 101 playlist, because there are plenty of foods there to help you get your holiday table right. Like how to roast a turkey, how to make my family favorite mac and cheese, how to make collard greens, my oh so delicious cornbread dressing, candied sweet potatoes, and more. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe, hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I gotta keep it moving.